I've got 8 mystery mushrooms. They're all different colors. Let's name the colors and find out the mystery that's inside. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's go. First, we have the orange mushroom. Can you think of anything else that is the color orange? I know. How about a carrot? This carrot is orange. Now let's open up the mystery mushroom and see what's inside. What is that? Oh, it's a little orange dog. Woof, woof. Now let's open up the pink mushroom. Can you think of anything else that's pink? This is a pink ball. Can you say ball? Now let's open up the pink mystery mushroom and see what's inside. Do you see anything inside?
Yeah.
I see a pink Care Bear inside. Now let's open up the brown mushroom. Can you think of anything that's brown? This cute doggy is brown. Woof, woof. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Moo! There's a brown cow inside of the brown mushroom. Now let's open up the red mushroom. Can you think of anything else that's red? This is a red car. Now let's open up the mushroom and see what's inside. There's a little red frog inside of the red mushroom. Ribbit, ribbit. Now let's open up the purple mushroom. Can you think of anything else that's purple? This robo-dino is purple. Now let's open up the purple mushroom and see what's inside. Look at that. There is a purple fairy godmother inside. Now let's open up the green mushroom. Can you think of anything else that is the color green? This star is the color green. And look, there's Goofy. Okay, let's open up the green mushroom and see what the surprise is. Oh, wow, it's a green hippopotamus with the number 1. This mushroom is the color blue. Let's open up the blue mushroom and see what's inside. But first, can you name any other thing that is the color blue? Here's Cinderella, and she has on a pretty blue dress. La la la. Hi. Now let's open up the mystery mushroom and see what's inside. There's a little blue Stitch inside, and he's holding a yellow present. Say hi, Stitch.
Hi, everybody. It's me, Stitch.
Now let's open up the tan mushroom and see what's inside. But first, can you name something else that is the color tan? This big T-Rex is the color tan. Now let's open up our tan mushroom and see what's inside. Look at that. There's sand inside of our tan mushroom.
Whoa!
There's kinetic sand inside of our mushroom.
Epic toy time!